I added dog holes to my workbench because I have kind of a personal vendetta against non-slip pads. They've never worked well with sanding or any joiner I've used, so I figured if I have to make a holder for diamond stones for sharpening chisels, I may as well make something that actually fits in the dog holes in my workbench. That way there's no chance of it moving around. I'm using maple for this project. I'm not entirely sure how well it's going to hold up with wood movement for seasonal changes, so I think plywood would be a really good alternative. That way you don't have to worry about any milling, and also it's far more stable. This is the easiest method I could think of for figuring out where to put the holes for the dogs. Something you can do here is draw diagonals from the corners of these lines, and then that way you have the center. Adding the border was easy. I kept it pretty simple by treating it pretty much like a picture frame. Instead of waiting for the glue to dry on the border, I decided I might as well glue the whole thing up right now. That way I can get the shape absolutely perfect on the border to line up. Finishing is really important for this build because if you're using oil, you want to make it so it's as easy as possible to clean up. So I use some polyurethane.